Make a great choice today with the 2014 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, compass. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.